a reliable database of all residents helps in establishing the relevant infrastructure to enable the government to provide demographic data for efficient planning and proper allocation of resources. Proper planning through residency registration also helps the government to effectively determine the overall resources needed to formulate and implement important policies, programs, and projects. In today's special report on Team's Agenda this week, Aderayo Indowu Olaya of our News and Current Affairs Department examines the activities of the Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, in line with the Team's Agenda of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. The Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, is an agency of government responsible for the creation of a reliable database of all residents in Lagos State, with a strategic plan of providing a unique means of identification for access to state services and facilities, while also providing a centralized database to all ministries, departments, and agencies of Lagos State for planning purposes. This will no doubt assist the state government in deploying resources for the overall development and growth of the state. The agency was formally launched and its registration was flagged off on 19 September 2013 due to the growing need for state information communication technology to enable the state to achieve its desired growth and development. The Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, a parastatal under the Lagos State Ministry of Science and Technology, is responsible for the registration of all residents who reside in the state, irrespective of age, gender, religion, ethnic origin, nationality, economic, social, or financial status. As an agency committed to an accurate, reliable, and updatable database of all Lagos State residents, LASRA's mandate covers children and not only limited to adults. Persons aged 0 to 15 are considered children and are captured under the initiative, but will not require biometric data capturing until they attain 16 years. For inclusion in the registration process, parents and guardians must present the child's birth certificate, passport photographs, and copy of registration receipt of the person registering the child, among other necessary requirements, and must be renewed every 5 years until the child is 16 years. As an administration committed to the achievement of its team's agenda, a driving force of development of activities, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu in September 2019 approved the appointment of Engineer Mrs. Ibilola Kasumu as the new General Manager of LASRA, following the statutory retirement of Mrs. Olukemi Adelusi after 32 years of meritorious service. For purpose actualization, Governor Sanwo-Olu promises to take action on allocation of resources and support for demographic planning in the state, while also highlighting that the importance of efficient planning and allocation of resources in any organized society cannot be underestimated and should be taken with all seriousness. Governor Sanwo-Olu said the creation of Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, is for data capturing, which would later be translated to building a database of people who reside in the state. LASRA is an agency committed to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu's team's agenda, an acronym for his administration's 6 strategic development agenda, namely traffic management and transportation, health and environment, education and technology, making Lagos a 21st century economy, entertainment and tourism, as well as security and governance. The Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, seeks to invigorate and carry out its mandate under the third pillar of the team's agenda, accommodating education and technology. Taking a step further in building a greater and smarter Lagos in line with the 6 pillars of development, teams, Lagos State Residents Registration Agency introduced LASRA 2.0, which each is more inclusive in registering children through the use of up-to-date technology and for seamless registration process. LASRA 2.0 is a continuation of the registration of residents, utilizing new applications and technologies to drive seamless and real-time registration process to generate a unique identification number and to issue a Lagos State Resident Smart Identity Card, which provides a unified data ecosystem for ease of access to all services across the various ministries, departments, and agencies of government in the state. In its determination to register more residents in the ongoing residency registration exercise towards creating a reliable database of all residents of the state, the agency adopts various approaches, measures, and strategies, which include roadshows, awareness and sensitization programs, among others, at the grassroots across the 5 divisions of the state as part of its publicity strategy. LASRA also made registration easy by establishing its offices in the 20 local government areas and 37 local council development areas of the state. The General Manager of Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, Ibilola Kasumu, who expressed confidence in the registration process and its benefits to government and the people, enjoined residents who are yet to register to do so in order for government to provide demographic data for efficient planning and proper allocation of resources in the state, while also stressing the need for those that have registered to collect their cards. The LASRA boss re-emphasized that the residents' registration exercise is still ongoing at all local government areas and local council development areas.
You can actually start registration by pre-enrolling online. So if you go to our website, www.lagosresidents.gov.ng, there's pre-enrollment portal. So you can start your pre-enrollment there. You put in all your biometric, your bio data. So once you finish all of that, you're given a pre-enrollment number. So that pre-enrollment number, you come to any of the LASRA offices, they capture your biometric, take your picture, your ID, and your signature. Or you can walk into any of our LASRA offices in all the 57 local governments and LCDAs to start and finish your enrollment. But the process is faster when you actually pre-enroll online.
According to Kasumu, up to date, the agency has captured about 5 million residents and is targeting another 5 million residents this year, and approximated that about 20 million residents will be registered by 2022.
What we're trying to achieve is to have a multi-purpose card. It's a smart card that will give access to all Lagos State services. So what do I mean by that? Instead of us having different cards for different identification purposes in Lagos, what we want to achieve is to have one card, which is a Lagos State resident card for identification and for access to all services. So the card comes with a payment applet, an ID applet, and 28 other generic applets that can be customized to suit different MDAs or even private sector purposes.
Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, to facilitate an easy registration process, the Lagos State government in phases reopened LASRA's registration stations to the public. The stations were closed to the public when the COVID-19 pandemic was spreading fast as a measure to curb its menace. Some Lagos residents have this to say about the registration process.
Yeah, I registered for LASRA about 4 years ago, and when I did that time, it wasn't that stressful. Well, just told us we should bring some documents and fill out some paper and come for capture, and that was all. Yeah, it was okay. It wasn't stressful.
It's organized, but I'll enjoy a little bit more speed.
It's satisfactory, it's organized, and everything is going on fine, smoothly.
I'm not using it for anything purposeful. I just do it to keep it in case of anything government. It's okay, it's fine.
It's organized.
Residents' registration no doubt helps the government to effectively determine the overall resources needed to formulate and implement important policies, programs, and projects. So, every individual in Lagos State has a duty to register with LASRA to get the Lagos State resident card and be part of the government's plan. This is where we draw the curtain on this week's edition of the special report on the activities and achievements of the Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, in line with the team's agenda of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. For feedback, you can follow us on all our social media platforms: Instagram, Lagos Traffic; Facebook, Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM; on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, Traffic Radio 961. Also, you can download our app, Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM, from Play Store for more traffic updates. This program is a production of Lagos Traffic Radio 96.1 FM. I am Abiola Fagbolagun.
You just listened to another edition of Themes Agenda this week, which examined the activities of the Lagos State Residents Registration Agency, LASRA, in line with the state's Themes Agenda. There will be a repeat broadcast just after the news at 9.
I just listen to Traffic Radio, so I know the fastest way to go. Say I wear my my clothes, wear my shoe, carry my bag, hit the road, now so I go. Yeah, I say, no hold up for me matter as long as I listen to traffic radio. No traffic for me matter as long as I tune to traffic radio. So I go, now so I go.